Welcome to the third video in creating the twin hull boat shape. And what we're going to be doing in this video is creating the second hull, which is going to go over here somewhere. To do that, we need to do an offset plane. So if we go an offset plane, I'm going to be selecting on here and I'm going to take that across 50. And then I select OK. And then I'm going to go back to my trusty mirror tool, which is just here, saying select the bodies. So I'm going to select body 1 and body 2. And then I'm going to select the mirror plane, which is just here, and then OK. And that's pretty easy to do. Let's take a bit of a look around at those two hull shapes. Okay, from side to side, perfect. All right, and the last thing that I'm doing is I'm going to extrude a shape between these two. And I'm going to select on the select tool. I'm selecting on this plane, which I just created. I'm just going to pan this across. Matter of fact, I'm just going to be lazy and press fit. I'm going to have to sort of put that back a bit. Alright. Pan that into a good position so I can see. Alright, so I'm going to create sort of my shape just in here. To do that, I'm going to come down and I'm going to select on this tool, the create tool, and what I want to do, I want to come down to project and include. So I'm going to say projection from there. Now I want to include this bottom shape and this bottom shape in my selection. So I select on it like so, boom, and then I select on this bottom shape and then I just go OK. And it brings those two lines into my current profile. Then I'm going to use my spline curve, which is just here, and I think I'll start here. I'm selecting, 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 and selecting between the two and green tick to finish. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that, and I just say finish, and that should now rotate back to view where I have my shape there in the center. I'm going to go to extrude, and I want to do this as both sides, so I want it symmetric, two-sided, and I want it to all, so I want it to actually facing, but I don't want it cut, I want it to join. Okay, let's see how we go. See, oh, still on cut, it's not liking me, let's just wait to see. And there we go, it's created it for me once I'm on join. So what I've done is I've selected symmetric to all and join, then OK. Let's take a little bit of a, it's still thinking a little bit here, and then we'll take a bit of a drive around it once it's finally done its final computation and thinking. There we go. So let's take a bit of a drive around and see what it looks like. Okay, wonderful. And there you go. That is your twin hull boat shape, and it's my take on how you would do that. That's the end of these videos.